Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, we are detached from each other for a long time due to COVID-19 pandemic. Hope you are staying safely in your home by the grace of Almighty Allah. We know during this time your study is greatly hampered. We can't continue our classes as before. We can't meet each other as before. So what? To reduce your losses and thinking about your future, we have decided to continue our classes through this virtual web. Hope it will be helpful to you. Okay, dear learners, now start our discussion. Actually, I am confused to select my today's topic. Which one will be more effective to you? I don't know. So from a lot of grammatical items, I would like to discuss about pronoun referencing. I think pronoun referencing is a vital part from your English part 2 and it will be helpful to you. At first, we have to know about pronoun. Can you recall what is pronoun? I hope all of you have a clear idea about pronoun. Again, I am saying about pronoun, since something about pronoun. Pronoun. From this word, we can get pro and noun. Pro means instead of, and noun means in the name of anything, any person, any object, etc. So, in a word, any naming word is called a noun. So, pronoun. Now, we can get the definition of pronoun from this pro and noun. Pronoun is a noun equivalent word which placed instead of a noun and refers or represents this noun, such as, dear learners, look this page. You can see two sentences. These are, Rumi is a student, she reads in class 2. In my first sentence, Rumi is a noun, it's a name of a girl, and in the second sentence is she reads in class 2. Here the subject she, it's a pronoun and it used here instead of Rumi. Dear learners, as I said before, pronoun placed instead of a noun. Here look, she placed instead of Rumi and and here she is a pronoun. Am I clear? Dear learners, now we'll focus on the different aspects, different types of pronoun. There is a controversy about the classification of pronouns. Some scholars explain 6 types and some scholars explain 8 types of pronoun. For our better knowledge, we will learn 8 types of pronoun and they are: number 1, personal pronoun; number 2, demonstrative pronoun; 3, distributive pronoun; 4, indefinite pronoun; 5, interrogative pronoun; 6, relative pronoun; 7, reciprocal pronoun; and at last, number 8, reflexive pronoun. Dear learners, now I will explain personal pronoun. Personal pronoun means those pronouns which are related to a person is called personal pronoun. Suppose, go back to our example. Here I wrote 2 sentences. These are, Rumi is a student, she reads in class 2. On the first sentence, Rumi is a student. Here Rumi is a person, a girl, And in the second sentence, the subject she refers to Rumi. So here she is a personal pronoun as she placed instead of a person. You got it? She is placed instead of a person and it's Rumi. She is placed instead of Rumi. Now, personal pronoun. We will learn about personal pronoun and its aspects. Personal pronoun has three aspects, three types, and these are first person, second person, and third person. Now, first person is refers to the pronoun which are related to only me and I. And again, number 2, second person. Second person is refers to the pronoun which are related to you. I mean, all the pronoun which is related to you is called second person. And the third person. Now, the third person refers to all these pronouns exist in the world without first and except first and second persons, such as they, it, Bangladesh, etc. I mean, including any types of name exist in this world are called third person. So dear learners, we have learned about pronoun, its classification, and the personal pronoun. And now I have to go. Before ending my lecture or discussion, I would like to remind or inform you the ongoing situation of the present world. We have to be safe. We have to maintain the rules and regulations of World Health Organization, and we have to maintain the hygiene method in our personal life, in our daily life. So stay your home and stay safe, and everyone pray for me. Allah Hafiz. See you again.